Right, like he's about to swim out now.
Kill him. Ethan, help him out. Shot Alex. All right, y'all. It is Sunday, December 1st? December 1st? No, get that bird, get that bird. It's Sunday, December 1st. We're trying to get set up. We can't, it's just madness. Ducks are up, hurry up, whatever we're doing. It's madness. Epic to play with today. Bismuth and TSS, stack, load, duplex. That should be insane.
No 3-pack coming over the trees. Yeah.
They're coming. Over Ethan's shoulder. They're kind of high right now. Ready? Shoot him. Alright, y'all. Color's retrieving that second bird. Worked out pretty good.
Yep.
Where?
He turned. I seen him coming, and then he turned real hard and went back south. Before he even got to the tree. Here he comes back. Through the tree. Even with this post. Right? There it is. Find in between the gap.
Who's shooting it? Kill him. Whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready, kill him. Good shot, Alex. Way over him, Larry. Good girl, Carly.
Good girl, Carly.
Good girl. Dad, you better give her a hash brown when she gets in the truck.
Hey, Dad, I got some deer sticks for her.
Good girl, Carly.
That's a. You see things though. That's a big bird.
Good girl, Carly.
His wings were almost touching getting back.
Up high. They're going, but they're dropping. I can't tell. Coming. Coming. Coming over our heads. They're not locked up yet. Out front. They're far. Ready? Try it. Out front.
That bird's
Good work, y'all. They were far. Hey, them first 2 shots, boy. Them epic.
dirty show.
Them babies is right, TNT. 4s and 8s.
TNT make them go. I don't even know, but they did.
Good dog. Good dog, Carly. Good dog. Yeah, you're such a good girl, Carly.
Alright, y'all. Well, Bub had to leave. Made it to church. Action has definitely slowed, but we got us a nice, pretty old Mallard Drake. And, yeah, gonna set this one out. Done a nice double curl. Got some more snow. So
You should be coming back anytime, hopefully. Out front, big. Is that get you fired up? That group in the front might screw us if they don't come. cutting hard. Like 30 of them made believe at the same time. Woo, just dropped out. As soon as that group in the front didn't like at least come over us.
Alex, them geese will do it to you, bub.
Bird brain. Oh, well, I don't know what kind of hunt that was, but there it is. There's the results. Alrighty, y'all. December 6th. Hunting the corn feed. Geese have been using this field on and off. It's cold. You think they'd want to get a bite to eat, right? So we're out here. There's 4 of us in A-frame. The height's not too great, but I don't know, y'all. It's pretty cold. I think they'll be desperate. Y'all stay tuned and see if we can shoot some big honkers in the face. Oh, Thad got the snacks. Larry got the heater. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. What do you think about this, E? Geese up behind us too. Huh?
Like swinging out front.
How many? Oh my, they're all coming right now. They're all in the air right now. Watch the ones out front, watch the ones in the back. They'll come right over the road. How close are they out front to the right? Anything out there? A lot of them going back down into the pond behind us.
Got a group breaking off. Group coming to the right.
How low? What talk to me?
Locking, 30 feet up, locking.
Where are we at?
Right out front there. There's one group.
Oh yeah, here we go. Perfect, they're doing it perfect.
They're just about ready to hit.
Ready?
Yep.
Ready? Shoot them. That's some good shooting. Shooting time.
Yep, 5 o'clock.
We're about to pick up, but I think we got 5 down, but we'll count. No cripples. It was good shooting for what we had. Made it count. About to pick up and go clean a little bit of birds we got. Well, y'all, birds flew. Last 2-3 minutes shooting time, and this is the unlucky ones that decided to do it just perfectly. We got some white on his wing there. Check that out. Hey, y'all, they not all bangers, but we put the same amount of work to shoot 4 as we do 20.